What's up, guys? It's your girl Diamond and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to just do like a eyeshadow tutorial. I've been thinking about a look that I want to try out, and I figured, why not go ahead and try it out on here. So we're just gonna dive right in and start. As you can see, I have my base on. And we're just going to focus more so on the eyes today. So to start, I will be using the Key Louise base color number 0, and this is just a base that I'll apply before applying any of the colors. So we're just going to start off with that, and then we will get into the actual eyeshadow.
Your tracks today.
All right. Oh God, I look crazy. So to start out with the colors, because we're going to build up some colors, I guess, I'm going to start with the James Charles palette. And I am going to take this very dark blue out of this palette. So today's look is more so like a bluish type of color. So I'm going to be using this color. I'm probably also going to be using this color here just to get that out of the way. So those two colors are the ones that I'll be using out of this palette. And like I said, we're going to start off with that very dark blue. And we're just going to apply it to more so like the upper area of my eyelid, like the above my crease, so that it will be like the backdrop to everything. So we're gonna go ahead and start to apply this. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm probably going to just focus on this eye, and then I'll do this eye off camera just to show you guys how I'm gonna do this look. So as you can see, I have the darker blue and the lighter blue out of the James Charles palette. And I'm just applying that lighter blue above the darker one just to add like a nice two-toned highlight kind of look. And then next I'll be cut creasing this look. So I'm going to go ahead and take the same base, the same Key Louise base, and then I'm just going to do a mid cut crease on this eye.
Your tracks today.
All right. So that's the cut that we're going for today with this look. I'm just going to kind of just like dab it in a little bit so that when I add the second color, it's like already dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so for the next color that I'll be using, actually I'm gonna start from the outside working in. So I'm gonna actually just take the blue and the lighter blue out of the James Charles palette that I was already using and start to bring it in from the back. So as you can see, I'm just tapping it. I'm not going to apply a lot of pressure when I'm doing this because I want it to look like it's like misty in a way or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you.
And just to add another type of blue into this color, I'm gonna actually take this turquoise color out of the Jaclyn Hill / Morphe palette, and I am going to apply it. It's gonna be this darker one here. And I'm gonna just apply it a little bit as well, just to have a nice variety of colors in there. Okay, so for the last color that I'm going to be using, it's going to be like this nude, this new color here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that into the inner crease of my cut, I guess, and that will be it for the eyeshadow on top. All right, so now I am going to go back in with the same colors, the same blues, and I'm just going to make them look a little bit more blended with this lighter color. Kind of just mix them in a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna do that here. Okay, so next we're gonna get into this eyeliner. Like I said, I'm only focusing on this eye, so I look crazy on this side of my face, but this side of my face is about to be bomb. All right, so for my eyeliner, I'll be using this NYX eyeliner. And I really do like this eyeliner. I think I've said this before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm not going to do a full wing. I'm just gonna do like a half and then blend the blues and probably a little bit of black back in there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this eyeliner. Okay, so to apply, I'm gonna actually apply this white eyeliner above the black one as well. This is also a NYX Epic Wear white eyeliner. Okay, so that's what that looks like, and I just decided that I'm gonna actually add some like shimmer, some sparkle to this. So I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna take this this blue right here, this shimmer, and then I'm just gonna apply it to above the white eyeliner a little bit, like in this area right here, so that one, it can mask the white eyeliner, and then two, just add a little bit more to this look. So next, since I didn't take the eyeliner all the way over, I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and kind of just fill in where I would usually add the eyeliner in the back, so that it looks presentable, I guess. Okay, so this is what this eye is going to look like. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm gonna be applying my lashes and everything once I get done with this eye. So I'm gonna go off camera really quick and I'll be right back with this eye completed as well. So I'll see y'all soon. Okay, so as you can see, I have put on my lashes. I have basically done my face. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I really wanted to just focus on, you know, my eyes for this video. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna finish the look off. I'm gonna actually be using the Juvia's Place palette to finish off this look, because she has some really nice glitters in this palette. So I'm gonna be using that, but I'm just going to take, before I do that, I'm just gonna take the blue and kind of wrap it around the end to the middle of this eye, just a little bit, so that it darkens up underneath my eye and we're still, you know, using the same color. So I'm just gonna go back in with the darker blue and the lighter blue and wrap it around. Like that. And then for the inner crease of my eye, I'm gonna use the lighter blue that I used before. So let's just go back and run down with the colors. I used this color here, the color up here, and this color here. So I'm gonna go back in with this last color here, and I'm just going to put that into the corners of my eye to brighten that up a bit and not leave the white or nude color that I had there before. And I'm just gonna add that into the corners. But I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color out of the Juvia's Place Wahala palette, and this color is Clout, and it's right here. It's like a very pretty glittery blue, so we're gonna go ahead and add that underneath my eyes. So last but not least, we'll be using the Bad Girl Bang mascara. I really love this mascara. I use it obviously all the time now. And it really makes my lashes look super duper long at the bottom. So I do, again, advise anybody to get this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mascara, and then I'm gonna finish off my face, and then I'm pretty much done here. So you guys will see, I guess, the complete and finished product of this look today. So give me another moment. All right, so this is the final look. So you can see I got my little, stuff going on over here. Let me go ahead and clean that up. And yeah, so this is what this looks like. I mean, I like it. It's definitely interesting. I don't know if I would probably wear this out, not gonna lie, because I don't know, blue's not my favorite color, but I wanted to try something again with blue in a different way that I've done it before. So this is the outcome of this. It's really bold, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with my finishing spray. And yeah, so I really hope that you guys like this video. Say this every single time. I do hope you guys do like my videos or enjoy them at least, and learn something from them, because I'm also learning as I am going. So yeah, if you did, go ahead and like this video, go ahead and share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff, and I will hit y'all back again soon. Thank you for watching my video, and have a blessed day. Bye.